What's up, guys? So this is just an intro. I just woke up, but I want to make an intro to the video, kind of explain what's going on. So yesterday I went to my sister-in-law's kind of birthday bash. It was a surprise for her. Her name is Lola, and my other sister-in-law and her wife had a wonderful idea of bringing her to this experience called Movie Time. So Movie Time is... it's like an old restaurant with a big bar in it, and someone converted it into basically a small theater and dinner experience. So it's super cool. Basically, they'll pick a film and they'll make the entire dinner themed, according to the film. So my sister-in-law, Lola, her favorite movie is Beauty and the Beast. So they know there was a showing there. That's why they set this whole thing up. And so we get to watch Beauty and the Beast. But then have all the foods, these like small course little, I guess, treats, or, overall like a dinner over the course of the movie. So like, when they're at the tavern scene, everyone has their beers, like they bring out a fake little beer. In this case, there's two drinks. You can do mocktails in case you don't drink alcohol. The two drinks were, one was like, I think a champagne something. The other one's almost like a butterbeer type thing. It's butterscotch and vanilla and like club soda and vodka, something like that. But just super, super cool. The whole experience really was awesome. Even though it was the intro, you guys will see. I just did little clips here and there. I didn't talk through it at all because I'm just enjoying the experience with my family. But yeah, here you go. This is, I believe it's in Wappingers, New York, Wappinger Falls, something like that. You can look it up. It's Movie Time, THYME. That's all. Enjoy. Thank you.
Once upon a time, in a faraway land, a young prince lived in a shining castle. Although he had everything his heart desired, the prince...
Since the morning that we came to this poor provincial town.
Good morning, pal.
Good morning, monsieur. Thank you very much.
Look, there she goes again.
Even when taking your loss, there's no man in town as admired as you. You're everyone's favorite guy. They grand ugly thick as Gaston, for there's no man in town as a man. Perfect up. Hey, let's hold this.
Thank you.
I say we kill the beast! Not safe until he's dead. He'll come stalking us at night.
Set you son. Oh my goodness!
You disappear!
All right, that was a very cool experience. The sign is for this restaurant, but it's in there. It's Movie Time, spelled THYME, like the herb. Super, super cool, though. I mean, the food was amazing. The experience is really cool. I haven't seen Beauty and the Beast in probably 20 years. So, very awesome.